Give us your other arm.
I already told you.
Is he giving it to you?
I got it. I got those.
My name is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and I am a storyteller. Welcome to the bunker. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Colonel channel. I'm your self-proclaimed commander, Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram. I'm also a criminal defense attorney here in downtown Minneapolis, and I make videos where I react to videos to make a legal point or legal explanation, give colonel advice, and that doesn't necessarily have to do with anything legal, or to make a smart-ass comment because something someone does is just so dumbass, it warrants attention, okay? So here's my question for you today. So if you are suspected of being one of FBI's most wanted and the police approach you and ask you for identification, what should you do? Well, let's watch what this man did, and then we'll figure out what to do next time if it makes more sense. So let's just watch and see what happens.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hi, we got called here to talk to you. Huh? Some people were worried about you. They wanted to make sure you were okay.
That I'm okay? I'm a paying customer.
Yeah. People are just called worried about you. So.
Okay, well, just called worried about you. Okay, he's there if he's a paying customer. I don't see any evidence of criminal activity. I don't see any suggestion that they were reported any criminal activity. So this guy's right. He's just sitting down at the restaurant. Maybe he's homeless. Maybe he's just out. Maybe his wife kicked him out. He's got his stuff with him. But at this point in time, why do the police have to play this game, right? I mean, if they want to ID him, then don't say we're here to check and make sure you're okay. That's a complete lie. Oh, by the way, the police can lie to you. It's completely legal.
Sitting down?
No, I think they saw all your stuff and were worried, making sure you're okay. Okay. What's your name?
What do you need my name?
I'm just asking.
I'm alright, thank you.
Okay. Are you from Rice Lake?
Don't worry about it. You can leave.
Oh, by the way, these questions that are asked of you when you're not in cuffs, you're not in custody, those are not protected. Anything they ask you at this point in time, you're not being questioned while you're in custody. So whatever he says right now, that's fair game for prosecution because he's not in custody. Now, do you think this guy feels free to leave? Because he's not.
What are you doing here?
Hmm?
What are you doing here?
Just checking some stuff out.
In front of me?
Yeah. Standing right here checking some stuff out.
You're kind of disturbing my peace.
Okay.
Well, right. If you're just here checking on me, making sure I'm okay, and I just told you I'm okay. So no wonder the guy's getting a little bit like, what's going on? I would be a little bit agitated myself. Oh, here's what it is. See, he wasn't there to just check on him. He's got it, FBI 10 Most Wanted Fugitives, and he thinks that guy looks like one of these guys. Thinks he looks like one of those guys.
Is your name Alejandro?
Are you trying to ask me if I'm wanted? Are you confirming that I'm wanted?
I guess so.
So this is what, your public service? When I told you that I'm a paying customer?
Yeah. Are you Alejandro?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, well, that's what we're here to figure out.
Oh, now they're there to figure out whether he's Alejandro. Before they were just checking on if he's okay. That's great for trust.
So this screams that I'm wanted?
No, I guess it wouldn't be the homelessness or that you have a lot of gear.
So you're implying... So what are you implying? Like, really? Like, is it the fact that I'm homeless?
That your description matches someone that's wanted.
Leave town.
No, not that I want you to leave town.
Well, I already said, man, you're disturbing my peace.
Okay.
So get out of here.
Okay, you got any ID on you?
For?
So I can see who you are. And if you're not the person we'll look for, then we'll get out of here.
Now here's where the colonel advice comes in, right? So if he knows he's not the person that they're looking for, he knows he's not on the 10 most wanted, his day will go better by providing identification. because then they'll be able to identify him. He's not that guy, and he goes on with his day, feeling a little violated, feeling like the police have just taken advantage of him. But his day ends up different than if he makes them identify him, because now they have reasonable articulable suspicion that he is Alejandro based upon this photograph and these likenesses. So now they're going to stay. So this is where I'm saying the criminal advice and the legal advice and the attitude advice, not at this point going to end up with him getting the best day out of it.
At this point, you're gonna have to send another cruiser, so that way they can confirm my identity. Because of the way that you're treating me, I don't want to confirm my identity with you.
Okay.
Because see, I already told you I'm a paying customer. So like, why are you coming to me disturbing the peace? Because you're the one breaking the law right now, not me.
What law am I breaking?
Disturbing me and disturbing the public.
Okay. Well, if we get called here because someone believes that you're a wanted person and we're coming...
And then we lie to you and tell you we're just checking on you, and then we spring on you that actually you're a suspect, yeah, that would tend to piss somebody off.
confirm that, and you match the picture of a wanted person.
Can you show me the picture? So it's under what? So it's
I go over
your
there.
property?
Huh?
It's considered your property?
What is?
Because I was going to point out the facial features. Clearly, that's not me.
Okay, that you have a beard?
Show me the picture again. So
I'm not going to show it to you again.
Because clearly, that's an adolescent. That's not an adult. You can.
So now the cop's going big time, right? So now I don't have to show you the picture. Now we're done with that game. Well, I thought you were just trying to identify him. Now, again, this guy's attitude isn't helping the situation, so now we got egos involved, and it never goes well for even the innocent guy when it's ego on ego. Save that stuff for your lawyer later. Don't make your day about the ego.
Tell by the feature.
Okay, what's your birthday then?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Well, how am I supposed to confirm this isn't you?
Yeah.
I already told you. No. Go ahead and call somebody else because I'm not going to confirm my identity with any of
Okay, so someone else shows up and then you'll confirm your identity.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, that way I can get your name and your name for
Okay.
harassment.
My name is Peyton Overling.
Okay, then give me your card.
I don't have a card on me.
So, unprofessional. You next? Professional? You have a card?
My card's in my office.
Okay, then you can go ahead and get that.
What good is it there?
Here you go. Here's another person. Don't reach for nothing. Right now, you're not going to reach for anything. We're reaching for stuff.
I'm trying to put everything away so I can go outside.
No, you're not going outside right now.
Oh, okay, so that must mean he's detained because now he has to do what they say. And the question really is do they really have any reasonable belief?
All right. There you go. So harassment, all right, that's one. They're telling me that I'm wanted, and they're trying to confirm some wanted identity.
Yeah.
So I asked them for the picture, and you just want to give it to me.
I showed it to you. I'm not giving you the piece of paper.
He has it on him right now.
Once we determine who you are, then it's fine. So
We didn't say you were
Okay,
right. We
then
just said
you
you couldn't
push.
read the
You
description.
go that way, and I'll talk to him.
no, we're gonna stay with you.
You're gonna stay with
Yeah.
me. Okay, then at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and leave and get out of this town because I'm being harassed.
We're gonna identify you, and if you're not the person that's on there, then you're gonna be free to leave.
Okay, but until we. Okay, then give me your card and your card now.
See, so now the guy's digging in, right? Because the captain just said what they're going to do. Remember what I always said. The police are great at predicting what's going to happen to you next. If they say they're going to identify you, they're going to identify you. At this point, you can have all of your objections, but make your day go better.
Give us your ID.
being harassed.
Give us your ID.
Just give us your ID, and then we can
Then we call this quid pro quo, and we exchange IDs. Give me your cards.
Pull your ID out.
Show me your IDs first, and then I'll give you my ID.
Okay. My ID is
You
very...
harassed me. I was not walking down the street. I was here as a paid customer.
Okay.
So therefore, I can stand this higher ground.
Not necessarily. Okay.
Also,
So is that reason to believe you're a wanted
because I'm
suspect?
homeless.
show them your ID, or we'll take you over to the jail and make an ID there when they run your.
I don't have an ID.
Then I guess we don't have a lot of options here.
So you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms.
Okay, so at this point, though, if it is reasonable and there is a likeness and that we don't know how old that photograph is, so the police are going to be allowed to identify you because they can reasonably articulate the reason why they suspect you are that person. So at this point, it's kind of all just an argument.
saying that we're gonna identify.
No, you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms.
We're gonna identify you.
So my baggage details my status.
Do you have your ID with you?
I already told you no.
What's your name?
So arrested for what? Having no ID?
What's your name?
We are gonna detain you until we can determine who you are. Give him your name and stuff.
No, I'm alright. Go ahead and detain me.
Don't pull away.
Okay. This is the dumbass stuff, right? You're fighting with the police. They're all there. What is the end game here? What do you think is going to happen at the end of this interaction? The cop's going to say, hey, nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Or do you think you're headed for the back of a cop car? Because I think you're headed for the back of a cop car, and I don't think it's necessary.
He's going for my gun. He's got my gun.
You got your gun. He's reaching for your gun. You know what you want.
And he gets tased.
Put your arms behind your back, or you're gonna get it again.
Other arm.
Give us your other arm. I'm gonna hit you again with the taser.
So at this point, his behavior is one that sort of suggests that maybe he is the bad guy. The cops now have individual crimes. Before, there was no crimes. He hadn't committed any crimes. Now he starts resisting. Now he starts grabbing at guns. Now we've got real stuff. He's in trouble all by himself now, and it didn't need to be this way.
Give us your other arm. Is he giving it to you? I got it.
I got those.
Good.
Search him.
Yep.
So now he's going to get searched. If you would have just proven that it wasn't the guy, he would not be searched because they would have dispelled any reasonable suspicion that he is the person that is identified in that wanted poster. But now he's going to get searched. Now he's committed offenses independently. He's pissed off the cops, so you can bet they're going to charge him with that.
Search me.
On your side. Stay just like that.
All right, CBD gummies, big deal.
Your legs out this way.
So your legs out.
Roll to your other side a little bit.
Quit. Knock it off.
Doesn't help.
Quit.
Look at me, I want to remember a face.
Okay, remembered it.
I will smite you.
I don't know what I will smite you is, but it's not as good as him just being released and going home.
Oh, super glued.
No, it's sealed by my almighty father himself. Look at it, what does it say?
Can't read it.
Guess you can't read, huh?
Oh, that's when you became a cop. You got me.
Trampling on other people's rights.
He's got something down here too.
A hat.
I'm gonna search the rest of his ankles.
He's still got something in here.
Here, these can come down.
I think it's under this. It's something. It might be just another hat, maybe.
A hat.
It's like a hat.
Another hat.
Yeah, it's the bell of a hat.
Yeah, check his other leg.
Hat.
Another hat.
Hat.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little mark.
My name's Seth. I just gotta check out the barbs in your chest, okay? What's your name?
Don't worry about it.
Alright.
The barbs in your chest. Because you know what? When they shoot the taser, it's like a fish hook. It doesn't come out. It's like it's barbed, and it actually has to be pulled out. Ouch.
Sounds good.
Peyton, are you good taking him? Or you want me to pull the squad?
If you want to pull yours up, that's fine.
Yo, get away from me.
Not gonna happen, dude. I don't listen to you.
You're no fucking listener.
Right.
You want us to pull him up for you before you go? Okay. I'm gonna have to get close and personal, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now I'm bleeding.
Try to bend your knee.
Bend this one in.
I did not force her to leave. They were gonna.
All right, lean back for me.
Ken.
What are you doing? Alejandro?
No, I'm not Alejandro, man.
All right, well, what's your name?
Alejandro. Mistaken identity, and I told the guy, hold on, he didn't even put my pants on. With integrity.
Hold on. Can I get these off so you don't trip?
You can take them off, yeah.
Why don't you step up here? Watch your head.
Hold on, watch out, I have a broken clavicle.
Back go inside.
Oh, you're right side, that's $100. I told the guy to be here.
Watch your step.
The suspect, 35-year-old homeless man, Adan, was actually not the wanted man police thought he was. Police were looking for Alejandro Rosales Castillo, a former fugitive on the FBI's 10 most wanted list for the 2016 murder of his co-worker. He was recently captured in Mexico in January 2026, after nearly a decade on the run. The incident in the body cam footage took place a year prior in January 2025 in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. The suspect, Adan, was charged with felony attempting to disarm a peace officer, felony battery or threat to judge, prosecutor, or law enforcement officer, and resisting obstructing. After pleading not guilty to all charges, Adan was found guilty by a jury and was sentenced to 170 days in jail with good time granted, which lowered his sentence by 127 days, meaning he served 43 more days in jail and was then released back into the public.
See, that didn't work out for him, and the cop was just being a dick from the beginning, and it could have been handled better by both parties. That's my colonel advice, is you don't have to end up in jail. You don't need to challenge the police if it's going to make your day worse. You can always go back and get the body cam, and if there's something there, there's something there. If there's not, there's not. But you don't go to jail. And certainly, just to make a point, resisting with the police, again, it just doesn't help your days. Cops coming on, ego strong, they're always right. That's also what led to this. So I'm giving them both an F, because both guys could have done things completely different, and we wouldn't end up with this bad police civilian interaction. Well, until the next time, this is Wolf 6 from the Wolfgram Worldwide headquarters here in downtown Minneapolis, out here.